Welcome back, guys, Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about Jupiter once again, almost 1 week after airdrop. What's going on now on the price with this coin? Let's dive in. First of all, guys, if you still don't have an account on TradingView, I highly recommend you go into the description below or pinned section and find out the link, sign up in TradingView, the best platform for analysis. And with this link, you will get $15 bonuses. I understand how the YouTube works, and people love to see only beauty numbers. People don't like to watch some negative content, negative even idea of their favorite coins, because they bought it here, for example, at 66 cents, and they don't want to even listen the potential price targets minus 50% from their entry. But market doesn't owe you nothing. You just have to work with current data, and if you got a strategy, it's okay. You know what you're doing. If you don't have a plan, I recommend you to listen carefully video and start analyze the information, and based on this information build your own strategy, what to do with your own money. First of all, to everybody who also think I draw just random lines, this is not random lines. I highly recommend you go in pinned messages, find this video, how to trade altcoins exactly after listing. So this model works in most cases scenario on a bull market when the coin listed. On the bear market, this model doesn't work, So here, how it was an initiation. So last day of January, initiation. Now we're in accumulation stage. Nobody know how long we will be in this accumulation zone stage. Some coins traded here, for example, like hash flow over than a year. Some coins traded 80 days, like say, for example. Some coins trade, for example, 1 month and then pump, like Celestia, from 20th level by FIB. And here how the price respect the levels, if you determine the zones correctly. Some people write me in the comments, so I use the wrong FIB, because of the listing price on Jupiter exchange on the Birdie was totally different, 40 cents, and the highest point was 70 cents. So this is a totally wrong FIB. No, it's correct FIB, because we can't compare the centralized exchanges with the billions volume in the 24-hour and the decentralized exchanges, DEX like a Birdie. When people compare the DEXs with the centralized exchanges, it's absolutely nonsense, because we have to work with current data when the coin listed on the major exchanges. So take a look. Based on their logic of these people, we have to analyze, for example, on a Gate.io, the Ape coin. So the listing price was $5 and the highest point was 214. And we have to drop the FIB from this highest point, correct? But if we use the Binance, the highest point realistic targets was $27, not 214, because of lack of liquidity on the Gate.io. That's the point. We have to use the major exchanges because there's main liquidity on the market. But of course, I share only my idea, my vision. You can have your own. And I'm not telling you this idea is perfectly correct. No, I just share my idea because I can make a video on YouTube. It's just my personal vlog. Next step, the people start blame the team. So the team sold their tokens, like 200 million worth of Jupiter tokens. One more time, the zones, where's the best time to buy? This area. It doesn't mean we have to drop to this area. I remind you once again, because a lot of people start thinking, if I showed you some price, so bearish price, it means I'm so bearish and we have to drop to this area. I'm just too bearish. No, I just showed you the best entry. To start accumulate back, this coin, it's more than okay at this area. I highly recommend you watch this video about accumulation, initiation, accumulation pump model, how it works, and take a look on a lot of examples. Coins which are already listed on a Binance and how this chart playing out before. This is a more than okay zone to start accumulate. We take profit at this area. We can see even the move like this one from this current price, then 61, then correction down to 38 and continuation. Yes, also possible scenario. It's only up to you when to accumulate. You can accumulate even now 51 cents, for example, then 34, then 16. Your average will be around 35 cents. Perfect entry. DCA strategy, just the basics. just the basics. That's why if it's okay for your personal risk management, accumulate now, it's only up to you. You can accumulate. But build a plan when to in, when to out. Because a lot of people just click red and green buttons absolutely without a plan. And keep in mind, even from this current price, we can drop 32% and around 46%. So yes, we have a chance, a lot of chances and yes, we have a lot of chances and a lot of reasons drop to this price. And the people who screaming here, no, we have to only go into the moon, they will be minus almost 50% down. Because a lot of people don't use the stop loss, they just buying randomly without a plan. They absolutely don't know the zones where to accumulate this coin. That's why I highly recommend you, if it's okay to buy now, follow your plan. And much better zones for accumulation is going to be here. And this is the best one with risk reward. So from this price to 27 block is going to be 200%, where it's more than okay withdraw initial deposit. And from this lowest point is going to be the same zone, but around 600%. So that's a big difference. And if you accumulate now, you will get a 62% profit. So guys, always follow your own plan. I just share my idea. What the whales do now on Jupiter here. Yes, the whales accumulate because they got a listing, sell off, from 86 cents to this price minus 40%. They start accumulate. It's only 4 hours time frame. So it's more for intraday. We need to track on 12-hour time frame, but unfortunately, still no data because not enough history for this token. That's why we'll analyze on 4-hour time frame. Here, no signal for accumulation on direction. So it would be good to see the something like the warranty on ADZ and drop it down to this block where we can see the bounce for Jupiter. Take a look, market mood. Even on 4-hour time frame, we're still in a free zone. 1-hour time frame here. Buy line at this current moment, it's 37 cents, around 0.5 level by FIB. Take profit around 27 block. So this is how it works. And last two indicators, trade on. Base it on trade on 1-hour time frame here. How it playing out. Sell off, drop, buy. But of course, it's just a 1-hour time frame. It's for intraday. 17%. This one to buy, it was 5%. So it's not what we're looking for. For 4-hour time frame, still no signals. We pay respect now. 23 level by FIB. So the targets was more than okay to fix some profit. It's 27 block and the best entry, good entries. This one, the best entry, this one. So listen, please, carefully, explanation for this video. Money power, the last indicator, no money inflow on 4-hour time frame. Here, yes, we lay down at the bottom. It means, yes, we can bounce in from 38 level by FIB. Mark the zones, 42, 34, 27, 16, 11. 1-hour time frame, here. Initiation, we are in accumulation zone. Here's the whales, out of the coin. Drop. Money inflow, small pump out of the coin. So this is how it works. So guys, I highly recommend you go and watch this educational video in the pinned message. You will understand the logic of this price movement for coins after listing. Guys, if you would like to trade with my custom maker set what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.